अपनी फिटनेस के लिए एक छोटा सा स्टेप, सब्सक्राइब करते हुए बेल आइकन दबाना मत भूलिएगा।
आज हम कार्डियो मूव्स करने वाले अगेन 30 seconds each. Everybody, let's do it together. Are you ready?
Yes.
Let's go. Come on. Alternate knee lifts. Up, 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 up. Come on. Go slow and controlled. Keep going. Keep pushing. Come on. Letting your heart rate go up slowly. Focusing on the core. Focusing on the form. Come on. Keep going. Keep pushing. Go slow and controlled. Come on. Keep pushing. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. In 5 seconds, we're gonna go into alternate knee lift, but again on toes. Everybody, your knees should go up, and your heel should not touch the floor. Come on. Don't touch your heel down. Keep pushing. 5 seconds. We're gonna go into slow and controlled jog. Go slow and controlled. Jog. Come on. Push. Getting your heart rate up slowly. Working on the cardio moves. Everybody, you enjoying it?
Yes.
Yeah. Come on. Push. Let's go at slow and controlled. Focus on the form. Go into high knee jog. Lift your knee higher. Go the same rhythm, but go a little higher and little bit faster. Come on, everybody. Come on. Keep pushing. Come on. Let's go. All about the time, guys. All about the time. In 5 seconds, we're gonna go into jack feet. Everybody, hands prayer position, and go slow and controlled on the toes, on the ball of the feet. Go slow and controlled, guys. Let's go, everybody together. Get your heart rate up. It's all about the time, guys. It's all about the time. Keep pushing. You can do it. All the people right there doing with us. Let's do it. 5 seconds. We're gonna go into double jack feet. Double jack. Come on. 2 out, 2 in. 2 out, 2 in. 2 out, 2 in. Jump. Come on. On the ball of the feet. Everybody together. Get your heart rate up. It's 5 seconds. Come on. Push. If you want to take a break, take a break. But don't give up. In 5 seconds, we're gonna go into double jack, feet and arms together. 2 out, 2 up. 2 out, 2 up. Come on. Out and up. Come on. 2 out and up. Come on. Push, guys. Come on. Even if you fumble, don't worry. Just get your form back. And again, come on. Keep pushing. Go into basic jacks. Everybody, let's go. Basic jacks. Come on. Let's go a little faster now. We've got the rhythm. Don't give up. We're almost there. Come on. Touch your fingertips on the tip. On the top. Come on. You want to see I'm fumbling. But still, I'll get my form back. And do it again. In 5 seconds, we go into pivot lunge, everybody together. Feet wider than shoulder width. Twist. Go down. Come up. Slowly. Go on to the other side. Go down. Come up. Up to center. Always keep your core tight. Go down. And come up. Your knee should not go ahead of the toes. The knee should be above your ankle. Everybody together. Let's do it. Let's go slow. And the last move coming in 5 seconds. 3, And 1, same thing. Come up and jump in between. And again go back on the other side. Come up and go down. You should not lean forward like this. Keep the chest up. Go down, center, do the jump, again go down. Other side. Come on. Come on, 5 seconds. We are done. So the first target for today. And we will nail it. You gotta do this every single day. Just 5 minutes a day. And we will get there. Thank you so much.